Here's how to fix Facebook dating if it's not showing up. Now open up Facebook, tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then scroll down. You should be able to see dating. You might need to hit see more and then see dating here. You can just tap on it and hit get started and go through the process of setting it up. Now, if you don't see it on here, there might be some reasons. You can see to access Facebook dating, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have an account in good standing for 30 days. And I'll show you how to check that. Let's go back to Facebook. Let's go back here and hit exit and back again. We'll scroll down to help and support. And from here, account status. What you're looking for is a green check mark next to your profile. If everything is good, it'll have that green check mark and you can get Facebook dating. Now, there are other requirements. It says you have to live in a country that is available and not have basically deleted your dating profile within the last 7 days. You can see this long list of countries. I'm in the United States, so you can see here it is available in the United States where I am. But you can go through here and basically see if you are in a country. If it still doesn't work, let's head into the settings, tap on general, and then iPhone storage. From here, all we need to do is scroll down to Facebook and offload this app. This will force update and reinstall the app. It will keep all of your documents, but delete all the cache and force update it. After it's done updating a new version of Facebook, just open it up to see if it is working at that point. If it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is just hopping back into Facebook, tapping on the profile, scrolling down to the bottom, hitting on log out, and then just log back into your account, and you should be good to go.